tools I use are 2.5-inch angled stiff brush. This is for the cut-ins. A 9-inch roller, 3/8-inch nap, a 9-inch roller pan, a drop cloth to be sure that we keep the paint off the floor or the furniture in the room, some tape, painter's tape, for those areas that you want to be certain you don't get any paint on. Sometimes this is baseboard, sometimes you want to do a design on the wall, which require the tape to keep the various colors apart on the wall. But the essentials basically are a good brush, a steady hand, a 9-inch roller pan, and some good paint and a drop cloth.